Assalamu alaikum and welcome to this video where I will be sharing with you my personal experience and the tips that I used myself to memorize the Holy Quran. As a Muslim, the Quran holds a special place in my heart and I have always aspired to memorize it. However, like many of you, I found memorization process to be challenging and sometimes overwhelming. Over time, I discovered some strategies that helped me not only memorize the Quran but also enjoy the process. In this video, I want to share with you these tips and tricks that I have learned through my personal experience. So, if you are looking for practical and effective ways to memorize the Quran, then stay tuned and let's dive in. The first step I want to share with you is to memorize the Quran in the morning, right after waking up. Your brain is at its freshest and most alert state in the morning, which makes it easier to focus and retain information. By starting your day with Quran memorization, you can take advantage of this natural boost in mental clarity and concentration. So try to make Quran memorization a part of your morning routine and see how it can make a difference in your progress. The second tip and the most important one I want to share with you is to memorize Quran from only one writing style of the Quran rather than using different writing styles. This is because different writing styles can have variations in the size and shape of letters, which can create confusion and make it harder to memorize. By using only one writing style, you can get familiar with the letters and their formations, making it easier to navigate and memorize. So pick a writing style that you feel comfortable with and stick it throughout your memorization journey. The third tip I want to share with you is to write down the Quran verses you are trying to memorize. Writing helps to engage multiple senses and can enhance memory retention. When you write out the verses, you activate your visual and motor memory, making it easier for your brain to remember the information. Additionally, the act of writing helps you to focus on the words and their meanings, which can further aid in memorization. So give it a try and see how can writing be a helpful tool in your Quran memorization journey. The fourth tip I want to share with you is to stand and move while you memorize the Quran. Moving your body can help improve memory retention by increasing blood flow and oxygen to the brain and reducing stress and tension. So try incorporating some physical activity into your Quran memorization routine, such as standing, pacing, or light exercise. This simple practice can help enhance your memorization effort and make the process more enjoyable. The fifth step I want to share with you is to listen to the Quran and repeat after it. This method can help you internalize the verses and improve your pronunciation. By listening to the Quran, you can become more familiar with the rhythm and the melody of the verses, making it easier to remember them. Additionally, repeating after the reciter can help you develop proper pronunciation and improve your recitation skills. So try incorporating this method into your Quran memorization routine. Whether you listen on your phone or computer, it's a simple yet effective way to supplement your efforts and improve your overall Quranic knowledge. Now, what's the best way to memorize? Let's put the tips and method into practice and start memorizing half a page of Quran. So let's start by reading the first verse 7 times. And then we move on to the second verse and read it 7 times. Then we will combine the first and the second and repeat the combined verses 7 times as well. We will continue this process with each subsequent verse until we have memorized the entire page of the Quran. By following this method and using the tips we discussed earlier, you can improve your memorization skill and recitation fluency. So let's begin and see how effective and easy it can be to memorize Quran. We will take this surah as an example. This is Surah Al-Muzammil. We'll apply the rules that I just told you. Please listen to me. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها المزمل 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 قم الليل إلا قليلا 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 يا أيها المزمل 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 قم الليل إلا قليلا. That's it. I hope this video was useful for you, inshallah. Thank you, and I see you in other videos, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.